In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize or crop an image using the new Google Sites. If you're updating a page and you want a photo to fit better in your layout, these quick tools inside Sites make it simple. We'll start from opening Google Sites, add an image to a page, then crop and resize it cleanly. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sites. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns or can edit the site. On the landing page, look for the Recent Sites section. This is the quickest way to find something you've worked on lately. Click Recent Sites, then choose the site you want to edit to open it in the editor. Once the site is open, head to the right side of the screen where the Insert panel lives. Click Insert to reveal your content options, then choose Image. This tells Sites you want to place a picture on the page. To bring in a file from your computer, click Upload. Your file picker will appear. Browse to the folder where your image is saved, select the file you want, and confirm the upload. After a moment, the picture will appear on your page. Click the image on the canvas to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a small toolbar and blue handles around the image. To crop the image, click the crop icon in the toolbar. A cropping frame appears over the picture. Drag the sides or corners of this frame to trim away the parts you don't need and focus on the subject. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how balanced your layout feels. When you're satisfied, apply the crop to lock in those changes. Next, resize the image to fit your design. With the image still selected, drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller while keeping the proportions consistent. Corner handles are best for avoiding distortion. If you drag a side handle, the image can stretch, so use that only if you want a custom aspect ratio. Watch for the alignment guides that appear as you move and resize. They help you line things up with text or other elements. That's it. You've opened your site, inserted an image, cropped it to highlight what matters, and resized it to sit perfectly in your layout. Don't forget to preview your page to confirm it looks good across different screen sizes, and then publish when you're ready.